When we think of better tomorrows, we think of better buildings. Here is Sophie. And in a moment, she will realize 38% of global CO2 emissions come from buildings.
We need to do better than that. But how? Better buildings. What does that even mean?
We spend 90% of our life indoors, so we need to transform buildings from passively consuming to actively managing energy. It's intelligent electrification, and Thomas is already making it happen. Like Hager's been doing for the last 70 years, he's bringing electrification to homes, safe, simple, and intelligent. And today, all homes need to be connected so they can save more energy.
When I'm done installing this, the family can charge their car with clean energy made from their own solar panels and storage.
And it's not just houses. Multi-family homes can become better too. Flat after flat, Thomas is turning this complex into an energy-sharing hub with storage and management that lets tenants use solar power even after sunset.
Okay, so that's where we live. What about the bigger buildings where we work and shop?
Here, we work with architects, specifiers, and planners to develop the electrical backbone of tomorrow's buildings. IPEC and Gautier are actually doing it right now.
Oh, okay.
And then
Designing and specifying the main distribution system for a new build. Together with Stefan and Florent, they turn possibility into positive impact.
So those are the buildings of the future. But what about saving energy in buildings today?
Well, Marie and Octavian are managing the energy of 300 supermarkets. When their doors close, energy use drops automatically.
no waste.
Buildings of the future won't just run on electricity, they will be connected and intelligent. Behind better buildings, there are people like you and partners like us, making a difference one building at a time. And because buildings come in all shapes, sizes, and purposes, so do our solutions. From innovative wiring accessories to future-proof energy distribution and intelligent energy management, we deliver integrated systems that make buildings safer, smarter, and more efficient.
You can get the future in all shapes and colors with built-in intelligence.
This is how we change not just buildings, but the lives inside them for the better. Shaping better buildings will always be about the right components, the right partnerships, the right tools, and the right expertise. But better tomorrows is the potential to make every day, every building, and every life
Better.
Better.
Better.